A table can be created in multiple ways. One of them is with the help of tabular environment. The tabular environment creates a table. Let's write the tabular environment. The table has number of columns equal to the number of columns passed in the second argument. The second argument requires a character consisting of L, R, or C, meaning left aligned, right aligned, or center aligned. Let's write three columns. First column is left aligned, second column is center aligned, and third column is right aligned. L for left aligned, C for center aligned, and R for right aligned. Columns are separated by the ampersand symbol. Let's write the value of the first cell, 12. To write the value in the second column, separate it with the ampersand symbol and write the value of the second column. Write the ampersand symbol for the third column. First row is completed. To separate the rows, the line break command double backslash is used. To write in the second row, again write the first value of the cell, ampersand symbol, second column value, ampersand symbol, and third column value, and write the double backslash command. A table is created here. This table by default has no borders. To add the vertical borders, write the vertical line between the characters of the second argument. This vertical line adds the vertical line of the table in the first column from the starting of the first column. Similarly, to add the vertical line at the end of the table, write the vertical command after the R character. And the first vertical line is coming here and the last vertical line is coming. To add between vertical lines, write the vertical line between the characters. All the vertical lines are coming there. To add the horizontal line, between the rows, write the H line command. First horizontal line is added. Similarly, after the first row, write the H line command. Second horizontal line is added. Similarly, after the second row, write the H line command. Now the table is bordered. First column is left aligned, second column is center aligned, and the last column is right aligned. To add more rows, write it again. All the rows are added here. To center the table, enclose it in the center environment. Now the table is coming in the center of the page. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next one.